Hello students, welcome back to English learning. Students, today we are going to learn how to edit a letter. Okay students? So in our exam for 9th and 10th, there is one question always asked for editing. It is editing the letter. Okay? One letter is given and the letter is having many errors and we need to edit that letter. It is similarly given in the format of a letter, how a letter is written. So now first student, let us know what is editing. Okay, editing is a stage of writing process in which writer or an editor strives to improve a draft. Okay students, in which editing means doing a correction whatever errors are made by the writer. Okay, and the statement is also made very clear and effective as possible. Okay, in simple word, this process of editing involves editing, adding, deleting and rearranging of words students. So mainly in editing students, we need to it is all determiners. Sometimes determiners are wrong here, prepositions are also found wrong. So first thing we should know, most of the errors 1, 2, 3 and 4 are given. Most of them will be prepositions students. As you all know now what are prepositions, I have taught you in your previous video, but let us once more revise. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun, as we have learned in our further classes. So the relation between a person, a thing is denoted by something mentioned in the subject. Okay students, so now how we are going to come to know it is a right preposition or no. So students, there are many some rules which we have to follow, and we should if we follow them, we will always do the editing or whatever prepositions we are doing, it will be right. So let us see. The relation expressed by preposition include time, place, direction, position, agency, instrument, manner, reason, purpose and etc. So students, with the help of prepositions, we can show the time, we can see the direction also, the position of a person, each and everything. For example, for time I will tell you some examples. On Saturday, so on is used to show the time. Now to see the position, for example, the back seat of the car. So of is a preposition which is used here to show the position. Okay, then the direction, with the help of how we will come to know the direction, towards the school, towards the railway station. So towards is used to show the direction, and with is shown to any object, any instrument, with the pen, with the knife, with the guitar, okay, with the plate. And off is also help us to show the cause of anything, cause of learning, cause of dying, anything. Die of phenomena, he died of an accident. Okay, we studied with the help of books. Like this we can use them. So a preposition need an object students. Like this object can be a noun or a pronoun or a noun phrase also. So let us see in this letter how we can do the editing. Okay students, so let us first see. This letter consists of 5 marks. So now student, let us see how to edit this letter. So here this letter is already given in the form of letter. It will be as how letters are written. but there will be some errors, okay student, and the error is already underlined for your info. Like you will come to know where the error is, and you need to change only the error part. Okay, so now first the address is given, then date, then dear Rohit. Okay, let us read now. We accept your kind invitation of the brunch at the Springfield Country Club. So now students, off. Here the error is off. So we need to edit this, okay? So off, first of all, we should know for what purpose off is used. Off is used to determine the cause, okay? The cause of anything. It may be, I have told you, as determining the cause of anything. But what is given here? Here it's not shown. It's given off the branch at Springfield Country. Do you think it's off? It's a cause here? No, it's wrong. We accept your kind invitation to the branch at the Springfield Country. So we should know first which preposition is used for what purpose. Okay students, to is a relative clause. We need to know to is used to show the place. Okay, to is used. It's a simple preposition. At, by, in, from, on, to is a simple preposition, and we should know where to use it. We accept your kind invitation to the brunch at the Springfield Country. See, at is now pointing the place here. Okay, Springfield Country. So the answer is on. We'll just write about this. To. Okay, just circle the answer. Okay, so now the next one, at Monday. So now students, at Monday the 21st of April. So always we use at is the determiner of time. It shows the time, not the day. Okay, on is used with days and dates. Okay, here day is used, so always on is used to determine a day, and date also. So the answer will be on Monday the 21st of April. Okay, on. The answer is on. Okay, now let us read on 12:30 a.m. So I have told you on what on does. It only determines days and dates, not time. And at always shows us what is the work done by at. Okay, it's a preposition of time. Both are preposition of time, at and on. But at is usually denotes the infinite point of time, but can also be used to infinite periods. Okay students, at 5 p.m., at this moment, or we can say at the end of speech, at night, at day, at Diwali, at Christmas, etc. Okay, so but here on 12:30 a.m. it's not perfect, so it will be at 12:30 a.m. Unfortunately, we shall had to leave early due to a prior engagement. Okay, so now students, one thing you should notice, this is given in the full is given in, just read and come to know. We accept your kind invitation of the brunch at. See, whatever is going to happen is in future. The the invitation is already accepted, but the whatever the program is in future, but we shall had to leave. But here the person before the event has taken place, he is living here. Shall had to leave early due to a prior engagement. Okay, but here we will always write means will have. Okay, in future will have to leave early. There is a plan of a prior engagement, but did that person leave? No, he will leave. Okay, so here we are going to write, here I will write will have. Okay, this is the answer. So like this, will have to leave early due to a prior engagement. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Miss Ria S. Banu. Okay, students, like this the editing should be done. It's very simple. Just we need to know how and when the preposition, correct preposition is used on the correct place. Okay, students, and I hope you are not having any difficulty, but if you have any difficulty, please comment. And it's very important to watch all the videos which we teachers are working very hard and making the videos for you. Please try to watch all the videos and work on them. Okay, students, thank you very much.